Yesterday, I made a poll on the channel that simply asked you guys what do you think is the best color scheme. And it looks like most of you like the Groovebox color scheme, and a lot of you have posted their favorite color scheme that wasn't in this list. So today I'm just gonna go through how you can pick a good color scheme if you haven't, and how you can also make your own color scheme. Because you see, I used to change my color scheme every single day because I wasn't able to find a color scheme that was good, that fit my needs. And the only way that I could find a color scheme that was so good and it fit all my needs was just making my own. So right now if I open up a terminal, you can see that I have my own color scheme. It's this very green nature pine-ish color scheme, and I made it by myself. Now you can make your color schemes in this website called terminal.sexy, but the problem is that it looks like it's not working. Oh, did I spell that wrong? And this website has been down for a couple of days, so I have no idea what that's about. Maybe it'll load, let's see, right? And yeah, it surprisingly loads. So this is an awesome website and everybody should know this. The way this website works is that it has all of these templates to show you the current color scheme, and you can simply change these colors to make your color scheme. So let's say I want this greenish background, so I can just change this to a greenish color, and there you go. Now we have a greenish background. Let's say I want a more of an orange-ish red. We can change that. We can change this as well to be a little bit more orange-ish, and you can simply apply this to any sort of format that you want, whether that's your terminal's color scheme or your bar, whatever it is. So I can just quickly go ahead and change my colors. Let's say I want a little bit lighter orange. I don't really like these orange colors. It's actually the yellow color. It's not supposed to be orange. And yeah, there we go. And we can change our blue color. We can have a nice little blue. We can have a nice little magenta. And these are actually certain color rules that you have, because there are these color rules. So the reason these color rules matter is because if I run, let's say, C matrix, then you can see that the color of the matrix lines here are green, and they are supposed to be green. But if you have a color scheme with the green color, there's an actual name called green, and I think it's color 2, right? Yeah, it's color 2 and color 10. And the problem is, if you set that color to something else, like let's say set it to a blue color, then my C matrix will be blue. Now, my color scheme doesn't entirely follow these color rules. You can see that my blue and cyan color is actually just a greenish color, and I think I will actually change this color scheme to something even better, or maybe something even a little bit more plain, right, without any sort of color basis. So it's just this regular plain dark color scheme. I don't know, I'll probably do that because it sounds very cool. And I love these color schemes that are like very plain. And you can just use this website to really generate any sort of color scheme, and it even does the color scheme work for you. So if I go to export here, then I can format it in X resources. So if you're using, let's say, DWM, then all you gotta do is export it in X resources and put this in your X resources. And if your DWM build uses X resources, then your entire color scheme is exported by this thing automatically. Now, if you feel like you don't want to make a color scheme, right, then you can simply go to the randomizer here and generate a color scheme. And the problem with this is that this line here is going to be these dark colors, so that's not going to look good on some programs, right? But I used to use a green color scheme that was generated by this randomizer, and then I decided to make my own. You also have the scheme browser, so this way you pick good color schemes, right? So you have, let's say, this one. We can click on it, apply, this very nice brown color scheme. I might actually look into this because it looks so cool. We have, let's say, London tube, and yeah, this is the sort of color scheme that I like, right? These plain symbol color schemes. So I don't like stuff like, let's say, mocha. Mocha is not something that I like. Or let's say I want 3024. This is a very nice dark color scheme, right? And then we have, let's say, ashes. You get the point. You have a whole bunch of colors here. You have these collection of colors like the dawn color scheme. Now that's a really good color scheme right here by Gotham. And then you have Gotham and Hunt. Yeah, this is a really nice looking color scheme, really plain, and I love plain color schemes. you've got some other stuff here, like this is from X Colors, I think. And that's how you just pick good color schemes. You can also do it with the Kitty terminal. So Kitty terminal, besides just being a terminal, also acts as a color scheme picker. So for example, if I install Kitty, which I already do, and launch it, and then I need to actually exit Tmux for this because Tmux won't work with this. You just need to execute this command called current theme, and it's just gonna download the themes from repository. This is not gonna take time at all. It's probably gonna do it pretty quickly. I think you can also do this on like Alacrity. Can you? I'm not sure. Let's see. Let's pick your Tmux again, and then let's do current theme. And yeah, I think it works. So what this will do is that it's gonna give you a catalog of a whole bunch of themes that you can choose. And if you're using Kitty, then you can actually just choose that, and it will customize your Kitty automatically for you, made to use that theme. But if you're using another terminal, then you can simply select that theme and then search it up on the internet and then pick it. So that's how you make or pick very simple color schemes. And I used to use this randomizer all the time because this randomizer is super cool. So whenever you just want a super quick color scheme, you can use the randomizer, or you can just change these colors, or you can just pick ones from here, all that other Kitty method that I just showed you. So I hope you can make a super cool color scheme, and if you did actually make one, then tell me in the comments down below what you are gonna name it. Anyways, that's it for this video. See you later.